Hello everyone, this is Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm finishing up this gorgeous beauty. This is Geranium Gnome. This was a gift from Diamonds and Thoughts. Marissa, thank you Marissa, I have enjoyed this immensely. So we are going to finish it up. All right, let's get to it. We have the letter H left, and we have the letter A left. I'm working on H right now. As you know, I did have a screw up with this canvas, but it was my screw up. I mixed up the colors 165 and 166. Yep, I sure did. I surely did. But I do have leftover drills, so I was able to figure it out. Thank you to those who watched my short and reminded me that I can look it up, and that is what I did for the color comparison so that I could make sure I had the right colors. Now the majority of the fours were at the bottom of the canvas. There is fives rather. Yeah, fours are all down here, fives. There was very few places with 5, but there was areas where I was supposed to put the number 5 color. So I did mess that up, but the canvas came out really good. I picked off what I could when I noticed it. There wasn't many that I had placed. So I picked it off. The other areas where it just didn't make sense to me to pick it off, I just left it. And the colors 165 and 166 are very close in shades. So when I got to the bottom is when I noticed I messed up. I just stopped at a row, finished it with that wrong color because it just made sense to go all the way across. So that is what I did, and then I left the entire bottom underneath the snail and the bottom flower the correct number 4. The rest of the canvas has the wrong color number 4 and the wrong number 5. But you can't tell. This canvas, the colors were very close in shade, so it was very forgiving. So it wasn't really a problem. I panicked, of course. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't pull all of them off because I don't really know where they are. Like I said, the colors were very close in shade, very close. I am done with the H. And I'm using a Creations Moran tray. I'm using I think it's an R0de container. I'm not sure. It's the one with the Ziploc with 60 containers in it. So now I'm doing A. And this is going to be my finish color. And I'm resting my canvas on a Diamond Art Club case that has my Randal Spangler painting kitted up in it. And that Randal Spangler painting is going to remain in this case for a year, till the end of the year. So my husband ordered me a gift because I needed more containers. I have the Randal Spangler one I needed to kit up, and I've got Party Time that I have to kit up. And I want to kit up Threads of the Universe because I want to do that one so bad. So, Creations Moran Tray, Diamond Art Club pen. I like this pen. I use the putty on this end, and I put the pink wax in here because the putty, when I multi-place, it's not pretty. I live in Florida, and the heat, it just stretches it all out. So I'm going to move this, and I'm going to try to show the completed canvas. Again, thank you, Marissa. This is where the correct color is. Where all the 4s were, this is the correct 4. And the correct 5 is now in the butterfly. But this whole side, it was my screw up, but you really can't tell. It's beautiful. I love it. I had a good time doing this one. I don't remember how long it took me, but I think it took me, I don't know. Today is January 10th. And let's see how long it took me. Okay, I started it December 23rd, and it is January 10th. So, not even a month. Be kind to everyone. You don't know what anyone else is going through, so be kind. And we will see you on our